Hello students, we will start with poem 1.3 Have You Ever Seen? Now students, we will be doing this poem in three parts. Yes, first the warming up exercises, then the poem and then the workshop. Okay, now students, you have to write first in the book only, in your textbook, and then later on you all can write it in your notebook with good handwriting. Now going to the first activity, page number 12. Words that have same spelling but differ in meaning when used in different contexts are called homographs. For example, examples are given there. A temple fair attracts a lot of crowd. Now here fair means जो मेला रहता है ना, that. Her performance in the test was fair. Fair means good. Now B1. A rose is the king of flowers. Now rose means gulab. The sun rose. Rose means came up with a golden glow. Now think of 5 homographs and list them below. Now this I will give it to you all. Students, first write it with pencil in your textbooks. Then you all can write it in your notebooks. First one, flat. F-L-A-T. Now sentence A. The boy lay flat on the ground. The boy lay flat on the ground. Now B1, my flat is on the 3rd floor. You can write first floor, second floor. My flat is on the 3rd floor. Now flat means house in the building. Now going to the second one, tie. T-I-E, tie. My school tie is blue in color. My school tie is blue in color. Now the B sentence, we must tie a rope for support. We must tie, T-I-E, tie a rope, R-O-P, rope for support. Now third one, light. L-I-G-H-T. L-I-G-H-T. The A sentence, the light is very bright. The light is very bright. Now B1, I light a lamp before God every morning. I light a lamp before God every morning. Fourth one, lean. L-E-A-N. L-E-A-N. Excuse me. L-E-A-N, lean. The boy was lean and tall. The boy was lean and tall. Fourth one, don't lean on the wall. Don't lean on the wall. Now here don't lean. Lean यानी टेका लेना. Okay? Don't lean. L-E-A-N. Lean on the wall. Now fifth one, object. O-B-J-E-C-T. O-B-J-E-C-T. Object. The round object rolled away. The round object rolled away. The round object rolled away. Now B, the government must not object to the demands of the people. The government must not object to the demands of the people. So students, see, in first word, the word is flat. Now one flat means flat, another flat means house. In the second one it is tie, which you tie for your uniform. And second one tie, yane banna. Third one light, which we use, light. Yes, and lighting, putting a lamp, lighting a lamp, jalana. Fourth one, lean means thin, and lean means also taking support of the wall. Now fifth one, object means a thing which is round, okay, a thing. And next one, object means should not reject, okay, that object means not to reject, okay. Now the second activity, see here, when words with same spelling or pronunciation are used in such a way that they convey more than one meaning, the figure of speech involved is called a pun. Pun means have same word having two meanings. A pun is a play upon words. For example, hello, how's life? Hello, it's a strife. Okay. Now find example with pun with the help of your teacher, okay, or parents. Now first one we'll do is, what's up the ladder? Right, WHATS apostrophe S. Up the ladder, UP, up the ladder, LADDER. Second one, what's up about you? What's up about you? WHATS, up, UP, up about you. Now third and fourth also will do, it's on the tie. It's on the tie. Tie it the way you want. Second one. Fourth one, do it. Tie it the way you want. Okay. Now, going to third activity. In poetry, when a question is asked, it is called interrogation. For example, you have to find from some poems. Now students, I will give it to you because see, you'll have to search so many poems. Then you will get questions. Now, in last year's book, you all might have heard that poem, What is Life Full of Care? Write that first one. What is life full of care? Put a question mark because we want interrogation. What is life full of care? Now second one. Hasn't God a new show? Hasn't God, HAS apostrophe NT, HASN apostrophe T, HASN apostrophe T. Hasn't God a new show? SHOW. Put a question mark. Now third one. Oh, why lament its fall? See in poem number 1. Oh, put a question, exclamatory mark. Why lament, LAMENT, lament its fall? Now fourth one. Why on the moon's trail? Why on the moon's, MOON apostrophe S, trail, 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 question mark. Now students, see, activity 1 is very, very important. Okay, this is very important. So activity 1, write it in your notebook. No need of writing activity 2 and 3. Okay, this activity 2 and 3, let it be in your textbook only. But activity 1, yes, that is homographs and their sentence, that you have to write. will meet in part 2.